and your rims. Just made a quick test. I'm gonna have to put tires on these rims now. I like those way better. So we got 5 of them. So the goal today, get tires installed on these and put it on the truck. See how it looks. Should be pretty good. Yep. Alright, I brought you over to the last part of the install. One simple reason. Yeah, it's dark now. What I found out, the brakes are seized. I need a new caliper. I will not change it now, because I'm planning on upgrading later. So for now, see, caliper are seized, but I'll leave it on because I can still park the truck this way and I'm driving it anyway. And I want to put some drop spindles later. I'm gonna lower the truck. So like I said, I want to lower the truck later, put some drop spindles on it. So we'll do the brake at the same time. At least now I know I need to start the brakes. And caliper too. But that'll be for later in the spring. It's way too cold to do that right now. And I need the money. Mostly for the money. Actually, right now it spins better than it was when I started. If I press down on the brakes, it really seizes. Doesn't come back by its own. Alright, if you notice, I didn't put the center caps on, but the lug nut that came with the rims, they're not the same size, so for now we'll leave it like that. I have to find the proper lug nuts. But that'll be it for today.